Hey there, William here. What if I told you there's an easy way to have extra money hit your bank account every single month without having to do anything extra at work? No side hustle, no selling products, just a steady stream of cash flowing into your pocket. I'm talking about monthly dividend stocks. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can get started. But here's something surprising: most people completely overlook these monthly dividend opportunities. Why? Because they're usually not flashy or hyped up. But guess what? These little-known stocks can quietly build your wealth month after month. And later in this video, I'll reveal the #1 beginner mistake you absolutely must avoid if you want these stocks to actually pay off. First, let's quickly cover the basics. What exactly are dividend stocks? Think of it like this. When you buy shares in certain companies, they reward you by paying out a portion of their profits. And typically, dividends are paid quarterly, meaning 4 times a year. But monthly dividend stocks pay you every single month, giving you a steady and predictable cash flow. Sounds amazing, right? But you're probably wondering, what kind of companies offer monthly dividends? Great question. Generally, monthly dividend payers are real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs, and certain financial firms. Why? Because these businesses usually have consistent monthly income streams from things like rental properties, leases, or mortgages, making monthly payouts easy and sustainable. Now here's a quick example. One popular monthly dividend company is Realty Income, often called the monthly dividend company. Realty Income invests in commercial properties leased to reliable tenants. Because they collect rent every month, they can pay shareholders monthly dividends. It's simple, predictable, and investors love it. But wait, before you rush off to buy Realty Income or similar stocks, there's an important thing to consider: dividend yield. Dividend yield simply means how much cash you're getting each year compared to the stock price. Here's why it matters. A super high yield might look tempting, but it can also signal trouble. A very high dividend yield could mean the stock price has recently dropped due to problems with the company. So, how do you know what's a good dividend yield to aim for? Typically, solid monthly dividend stocks offer yields between 3% to 7%. Anything higher, you need to be careful and do your homework. Check the company's dividend history. Is it stable? Are dividends growing or shrinking? Doing a little bit of digging can save you from costly mistakes. But here's the twist. Monthly dividends aren't just about income. They're also powerful tools for compounding wealth. Ever heard of reinvesting dividends? This simply means taking the cash dividends you receive and using them to buy more shares. Think about it. Your dividends buy more shares, and these new shares pay even more dividends next month. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering speed, and growing your wealth faster and faster. But there's something critical you must consider if you're serious about dividend investing. You won't believe how many beginners completely overlook this step, and it could seriously impact your profits. Before we jump into that crucial mistake, let's quickly touch on taxes. Yes, dividends can be taxed. But here's the good news. Many monthly dividend stocks qualify as qualified dividends, which means they get favorable tax treatment, often lower than your regular income tax rate. Always check your country's tax rules, but generally speaking, monthly dividend investing can be very tax efficient. Now, here comes that big beginner mistake I mentioned earlier. And trust me, avoiding this one can save you tons of frustration and money. Beginners often fail to diversify their dividend stocks. Imagine putting all your money into 1 or 2 companies because their yields looked incredible. What happens if one of those companies suddenly cuts its dividend or runs into financial trouble? Your passive income stream shrinks overnight. The solution? Spread your investment across multiple stocks and sectors. Diversification protects your monthly income, ensuring even if one company struggles, your overall cash flow stays strong. So, how exactly do you choose the right stocks to create a diversified portfolio? What specific stocks are reliable and beginner-friendly? And what tools or platforms should you use to easily manage your investments? Stick with me, because in just a moment, I'll reveal exactly which monthly dividend stocks have proven track records, offer great yields, and are perfect for beginners. I'll even share a simple strategy you can use to manage your dividend investments effortlessly, even if you've never invested before. Choosing the right monthly dividend stocks can be the difference between a consistent stream of passive income and disappointment. Let's dive right in with 3 proven monthly dividend stocks that are perfect for beginners. First up is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. As mentioned earlier, Realty Income has built a strong reputation by consistently paying monthly dividends for decades. But why is Realty Income such a solid choice? Simple. They invest in properties leased to established businesses such as Walgreens, Dollar General, and FedEx. These stable tenants provide consistent monthly rental income, allowing Realty Income to reliably pay monthly dividends to its shareholders. The current dividend yield typically hovers around 4% to 5%, offering a sweet spot between reliable growth and steady cash flow. Now, you're probably wondering, what if I want even higher dividends? Glad you asked. Another great beginner-friendly pick is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. Main Street Capital is a financial company specializing in providing debt and equity financing to small and medium-sized businesses. Because Main Street receives monthly loan repayments and interest payments from these businesses, they can easily distribute monthly dividends to investors. Main Street's dividend yield generally ranges around 6% to 7%, giving you potentially higher monthly income. But keep in mind, higher yield means slightly higher risk, so always balance your portfolio. Next, let's talk about a popular but lesser-known gem, Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. Stag focuses exclusively on industrial properties, such as warehouses and distribution centers. Thanks to the boom in e-commerce and logistics, industrial real estate is thriving. Stag Industrial pays consistent monthly dividends, usually offering yields around 4% to 5%. With solid growth prospects and stable tenants, Stag is another excellent choice for building your monthly income portfolio. Now, here's a question many beginners ask. How do you actually buy these dividend stocks? Don't worry, it's easier than ever. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Weibo make buying stocks simple, even if you've never invested before. Just create an account, transfer some money, search for the ticker symbols we discussed, and you're ready to buy. But here's a crucial tip. Always set your dividends to reinvest automatically. Remember the compounding snowball we talked about earlier? Automatic reinvestment ensures every dividend you earn goes straight back into buying more shares. Over time, you'll significantly boost your earnings without lifting a finger. But let's address another common concern. How much money do you need to start investing in monthly dividend stocks? The good news is you don't need thousands of dollars. Many online platforms offer fractional shares, allowing you to invest even if you have just $50 or $100. The important thing is to start small and consistently add to your investment over time. Now let's quickly recap how to create a solid monthly dividend strategy. First, pick reliable monthly dividend stocks like Realty Income, Main Street Capital, and Stag Industrial. Next, diversify your investments across multiple sectors to minimize risk. Always reinvest your dividends automatically to take full advantage of compounding. And finally, start investing regularly. Even small amounts add up over time. Remember, monthly dividend stocks aren't flashy or trendy investments, but they're incredibly powerful for building steady, reliable passive income. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see your monthly payouts grow, giving you more financial freedom each month. So what's stopping you from beginning your journey into monthly dividend investing? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today and watch your investments turn into a passive income machine. Thanks for watching. Take action now, and I'll catch you in the next video.